Let's introduce the Bio-Entrainment 3D Spatial Audio Entrainment Platform with an integrated AI agent for processing and easy integration. Multiple API methods are available and easily added. The main purpose of this program is to have a fully customizable entrainment generator for spatial audio. Each channel can have its X, Y, and Z coordinates adjusted relative to the target center. Full 3D sound virtualization is possible through these combinations. A maximum frequency range is selectable, and presets are available and customizable for a personalized quick start. Up to 12 channels are supported at once. By adjusting a tone's spatial location, you can create custom binaural entrainment frequencies. Additionally, the option for isochronic pulses to be added to each channel is available. An easy-to-understand JSON data window displays all relevant settings for easy export and import from either your own setup repository or an AI agent suggested setup. Here I will insert my low alpha binaural preset. Notice how channel position, frequency, and all settings are imported. A recording option is available with customizable time and keyframes to manually adjust the volume at selected intervals from start to finish. With the AI agent trained on this program, it is easy to integrate with all other AI agents in the Bio-Entrainment open source repo, paving the way for on-the-fly entrainment design from neurofeedback. Free downloads are available on Github. Be sure to check back for more AI agents.